Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I tie this simple yet elegant scarf style. To start, I placed a bigger scarf at the back to give it a better shape. Then I took my main scarf and placed it on my head. As you can see, I'm arranging it to sit properly. Then I crossed both sides over and tucked it in at the back. This gives it a quick, easy and fuller look. Then you can I push it a little bit backwards to make it look firm and nicer. Now I'll pick one hand, roll it over to the side and tuck it into the back. This way it will stay and hold more. Once it's properly tucked in, I take the other hand and then I repeat the same process of rolling it in, and you can see the scarf is coming out pretty nice. So I'm just going to tuck this part in, and then our scarf is ready and looking good. And that's it. A simple balanced scarf you can rock every day and look amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share for more tutorials. I'll see you in my next video. Hope you love this one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.